Crescendo!
Just as per usual, the first 50 seconds completely autonomous and pre-programmed. 3176 Pro Precision, a high performer throughout today's event, quickly moving to the center part of the field and delivering a note into their speaker, worth 5 points during the pre-autonomous period. 3940 Metronome's robot from Cybertooth attempting to do the same, but just a few moments short. That's the only time where teams get points for movement alone, many of them crossing that taped line of their same team's color, allowing to get a couple points there. Teams scores currently 29-33 in favor of the Red Lions, but plenty of time, over 2 minutes remaining in the match to change that. 1741 making quick use of their swirl dry mechanism, move around the field and pick up notes from the source station. Once all the notes are exhausted on the field, that's the only place to get new notes back in. Many teams resorting to shuttling to reduce those cycle times, but now teams are recognizing they need to hold on to those game pieces so they're not stolen by their opponents. 67-21, Twin Trailblazers out here getting some bumper-on-bumper action from Team 45. The Techno Cats from Kokomo. That bumper-on-bumper action is allowed as long as that contact time is kept to a minimum, and that is trying to prevent their opponents from scoring additional game pieces during the remainder of the match. 90 seconds remaining. Scores currently 47-57 in favor of the Red Alliance. They've got lots of time. A lot of teams building with that lower profile, allowing them to fit under the stage. 42-72 demonstrated the placing of the notes in the amp area. They're going to score up and hold on to 2 of those notes stored in the amp and hold on to an amplified period. That would make notes stored in the speaker that high goal worth more as we enter that time. Teams holding off until the right moment until they stashed up enough to activate that. Red Alliance doing so just now. 10 seconds to every note. Blue Lions matching them. Scores 61-66. It's a tight match, 1-1. Blue Lions getting one stuck up. That will get counted here in just a little bit. Checking back in our teams. 3940. That's Metronome Coconuts. The Tech Cats from Kokomo trying to deliver notes as soon as they're possible. Only 45 seconds remaining in match. Plenty of cycling from these teams. They're trying to minimize the time from picking them out to delivering it. Remember, the robots can only hold on to 1 game piece at a time. Many teams designing that with that in mind. Many teams picking it up on one side of the robot and delivering it outside of the other to minimize that time while they're holding a note. Scores currently 42-75. Red Alliance just coming out of an amplification period, hoping to make up that difference. As we enter the end-game period, we heard that guitar riff. Human players will start to toss those rings and score additional points for the Lions. They need to get a robot spotlit. That's when they get the ring on top of the microphone on the metal post. Red Alliance already has 1 robot up. Blue Alliance trying to get all 3. That could be the difference on this match as time dwindles down. But that is all about we have for playoffs match 2 here at Boiler Bot Battle.